OpenPayd is a global provider of infrastructure for embedded financial services. Our goal really is to support the growth of businesses and ultimately support the growth of the digital economy.
I mean, the infrastructure today is very different to how it was 20 or 30 years ago. You're either paying stuff in cash or a credit card, or you wrote a check.
My salary would be paid via a check, and you'd go to the bank, queue up, deposit the check.
Comparing that to today's world, I think everything's a lot more automated.
I think now is much better than it was before, thankfully.
I click a couple of buttons on my phone, payment's been made, food arrives at the door, I'm happy.
Today, OpenPayd is building the infrastructure for financial services of the future.
Businesses will move away from clunky technology. They just want it to work.
It's when it comes to their payments and banking needs, all boil down to the quality of the underlying infrastructure.
What we don't see is the amount of parties involved to get that payment from the consumer to the retailer.
So it could be that you've initiated a payment that then has to go through 2 intermediary banks before it hits the end beneficiary.
You tell someone, oh, this payment might get to your account in 5 working days. I'm going to start being a bit nervous because I want that money now.
So how do you know whose funds belong to who? And that creates challenges, delays, blockages, mistakes.
Trying to then find out if the money gets lost, where it's got lost. How do you find it? How do you reconcile it?
You know, if we work with digital companies that have 1 million users, processing that type of volume manually, it's labour intensive, it's time consuming, it's costly.
The main benefits for the OpenPayd clients are that those clients are able to move money very, very quickly. They've got instant access to payment rails. It gives them a very clear reconciliation process.
We've built all the different payment options. We have all the different methods available, and you can pick and choose what you want from us once you've integrated in.
It means that they're able to grow quicker. It means that they're able to reach new audiences, and it also means that they're able to build a bespoke user experience for their end client.
And they can just get on with what they want to do, which is run their business in the way that they see fit.
We're building infrastructure that is technologically resilient, scalable, and agile enough to support any business, any rail, anywhere in the world. We are the future of the digital economy.